You guys liked my closet entryway transformation so much, I decided to partner up again with temp paper and share some tips and tricks for hanging wallpaper that I've learned since the last time. Let's get into it. Measure your space and pre-cut your panels so that you can tape them up and visualize what order they're going to need to go in so that your patterns line up. Working around a light switch can be a little tricky, so if you have textured walls like me, you're going to have a much easier time just measuring where the light switch is supposed to be and cutting that square out rather than just sticking it down and cutting around. Here's a quick flash of the light switch. For something like this, you can either use a hairdryer or a heat gun and the smoothing tool provided to get all of those air bubbles out for a really smooth finish. If you're doing a split look like me, draw out a leveled line so that you can keep your panel height consistent and straight. No one's walls are going to be 100% even, so overlapping your pattern by about 1/4 of an inch will ensure that you don't end up with any gapping toward the bottom as you go down.
Ooh, this is nice! Girl!
To get the crispest lines when you're cutting off excess, make sure that you use a brand new blade. When working around light fixtures that you cannot just simply remove, break up the area into multiple pieces and take your time. That is going to be the most crucial thing. The mirror is going to go over this anyway, so it does not have to be perfect at all. Match up the pattern as close as you can and very carefully make little cuts around the base of the fixture and trimming off excess and smoothing out as you go. You are probably not a professional, so don't expect perfection. Your guests aren't going to be staring up at your lights to make sure that everything is exact. And if they do, they're going to be seeing spots, and honestly, it serves them right for judging you in your own home. Here is the wallpaper all hung up, and the full bathroom makeover is already posted. So if you're curious about how it looks with the trim, the final touches, all of that, go check it out. Okay, thanks, bye.